Hello guys, welcome to the Python tutorial. In this tutorial, we will going to guide you through the variable and data types in Python. So that's a very important concept in Python. So you have to make sure that you have solid foundation about that. So without any wait, let's start the video. So imagine you have a box. You can put things inside this box and give it a name. Let's call it toy box. Toy box. The box can hold different types of toys like cars, dolls, or balls. So here in Python, a variable is like a box where you can store different types of information. We give the variable a name just like our toy box. For example, we can create a variable called favorite color to store our favorite color. So let me show you with the help of example. Here is an example in Python. Okay. Now in this example, we created a variable called favorite color and assign the value blue to it. The value blue represent our favorite color. So here, now let's talk about data types. What are the data types? Data types tell us what kind of information we can store in a variable. It's like labeling our toy box with the type of toys it can hold. In Python, there are different data types. Some common ones are like strings. Strings are used to represent text. For example, blue is a string because it represents a sequence of characters. The second one is the most important, numbers. Numbers can be integer, whole numbers, floats, numbers with decimal points. For example, 5 is an integer, okay? 3.14 is a float, okay? The next data type that I am going to explore is a very much important, that is a boolean. Boolean is actually represent either true or false. They are useful for making decisions, okay? They are useful for making decision on comparison. For example, let's say we can have a variable called is sunny. Okay, we can have a variable called is sunny that can be either true or false depending on the weather. So let me show you with the help of example that uses different data types. So in this example we have three variables, okay? Name, age, and is tall. The variable name is a string that store the name Alice, okay? The next one is that the variable age is an integer that store the number 10, and the variable is tall is a boolean that store the value either is false or true. So here is it. You can see the data types in a Python. Guys, that is a really important concept in any programming language. You have to make sure that you are strongly grip on that, both of that concept, variables and data types. So if I conclude that, so in a summary, we can say that variables are like boxes. Variables are like boxes we can store. In summary, we can say that variables are like boxes where we can store information, and data types that help us understand and organize the different kind of information that we can put inside those boxes. I hope that helps explaining variables and data types in Python. So guys, let me know if you have any further question, if you have any query, if you have any problem related to that concept, you can comment down below. I am there to help you. Okay, so here is for all today. The next step, the next section is that we are going to explore. We will see you in the next Python section tutorial of that video. Okay, see you soon.